Hello students, I am Anita and I am your science teacher. Today I am going to teach class 6 chapter Human Circulatory System. First of all, what do you mean by circulation? Means movement of anything. And in circulatory system, movement of all the particles that move through blood. Circulatory system consists of three parts: blood, blood vessels, and heart. Blood, you all know that is red in color and it is fluid. Blood vessels, these are tubes, and heart, that is a pumping organ. Now we study about the blood. First of all, the functions of blood. Blood that transport nutrients. Nutrients means whatever the food that is absorbed by our body, that it transports to the various parts of the body through blood. Second function is it transports respiratory gases. From lungs, oxygen that is transported to tissues. When in tissues, this carbon dioxide that transports to lungs. Third, that is it transport waste product. It transport waste product from tissues to kidney, and kidney store this waste product. Fourth function is it transport hormones, minerals, vitamins, and water content. Next, it regulates the body temperature. And last function of blood, that is it protect us from disease. In the blood, there are white blood cells that eat germs and protect us from any infection or disease. These all are the functions. Now, next is the composition. How this blood that made. First of all, blood that is red in color. And why this is red in color? Due to the pigment that is hemoglobin. Suppose 100% blood. There is 100% blood that is made up of two parts, plasma and cells. Plasma. What is this plasma? Plasma, it is a fluid part and it is yellow in color. It made the 55% of blood and it consists of all these things. Then the cells. Cells made the 45% of the blood part, and these are of three types: white blood cells, red blood cells, and platelets. Now we explain the differences between these three. First of all, RBC. RBC means red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets. Red blood cells, other name is erythrocytes. White blood cells, that are also called leukocytes, and platelets that are also called thrombocytes. Then the structure. RBC, these are circular. WBC, these are irregular or circular. Platelets, these are small particles and of irregular shape. These have no nucleus. You can see there is no nucleus. There is nucleus and there is also no nucleus. These are red in color. Red blood cells, so these are red in color. White blood cells, so these are colorless, and platelets, these are also colorless. RBC transport oxygen to all parts of the body. WBC, white blood cells, these are also the policemen of our body. They protect our body against the disease or infections. And these platelets, what these platelets do? These platelets do the clotting of blood. So this is about the blood. In the next video, we study about the blood vessels and other things. Thank you.